Hello friends! If you've been curious about adding botanicals to your bath bombs, this is the perfect video for you. Today I show you how I make my stunning Love Spell bath bombs using real rose petals as a decoration and share some tips and tricks on the best way to do this. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, which is all about my soap and bath bomb business. If you're already subscribed, welcome back, and now without further ado, let's get right into it.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden.
This is going to be a two-toned bath bomb. When the colors are similar, I disperse the dye in some tap water and then add it to my baking soda. The main color of this bath bomb will be orange, and the accent color a deep reddish pink. To make the color more vibrant, I add a few drops of very hot water to the dye. After I dumped the dispersed dye into my baking soda, I really clean out the container, making sure I get every last bit of dye out of there. Today I'll be using these beautiful rose petals that I bought from Windy Point Soap Supplies. I have their website linked in the description below. Because I only use a little bit of petals, a bag like this lasts me a really long time. I've been asked why my ratio isn't the traditional 1 part citric acid to 2 parts baking soda, and the reason is because I like a fizzier bath bomb. SLSA slows down the fizz of my bath bomb a lot, so I bumped the citric acid up to counteract that. I split my batch up to add the secondary color. I'm combining some pink dye with red, which will add to the already orange bath bomb mix to get the deep reddish pink that I like. I add a few sprays of water to activate the dye and also to add some moisture to the bath bomb mix to get it ready for molding. I'm adding the rest of the bath bomb mix back to the KitchenAid bowl so that I can spray this color with some water too. Now we have all of our colors ready, the rose petals ready, and the embed colors ready. When I use rose petals in my bath bomb, I only use the littlest bit to add some decoration to the top. I don't overdo it because it means a lot of cleanup for the customer when they use it in their tub. I found the more minimal you are with these embellishments, the better it is for the user experience. So I add a little bit of the petals, just a pinch, to the mold and make sure to spread them out so that it's a thin layer of petals. I want all petals to be touching the bath bomb mix. If the layer is too thick, some petals won't stick to the bath bomb and will fall out, making a bit of a mess for both you and the customer when they open the bath bomb to use it. So you can see here how a thin, even layer of rose petals not only makes a great visual impact, but also helps secure the petals in place, making a neater, less messy bath bomb. I usually pull the bath bomb out from the top, but just for fun, I wanted to show you what the bath bomb looked like when I removed the bottom piece. If you're having difficulty removing a bath bomb, a small tip is to remove the bottom part of the mold and use the top part of the mold, the one that's still attached to the bath bomb press, to push it down.
I lose my breath whenever
And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it also helped you. Please give a thumbs up if you did. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. For those already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You're very appreciated, all 1,180 of you. Oh my gosh, we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's insane. Thanks so much for all of your support. There were so many of you that took the time to congratulate me, and it felt like one big team all rooting for one another, which is so awesome to see in this community. Thanks for choosing to follow me on my journey, and as always, keep being awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.